VP Constantino Chiwenga you've threatened mutungamiri wenyika panguva inei. Panoonekwa kunzi aiwa anoenda kuVatican. Zvamuziva kuti right now they are mourning Pope Francis. Chitiko ichi chinoratidza kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga his statement is viewed panguva inoi aiwa nemaobservers. Sandapinda mashoko amudanyorwa panapa ropa subscribe all icon on the bell icon. Timi nawo mudanyorwa muchinzi Chiwenga's journey marks the first time since the late President Robert Mugabe that a top Zimbabwean leader has traveled to the Vatican on official business. Mugabe, a devout Catholic, famously attended high-profile Vatican ceremonies during his time in office, reinforcing his image as Zimbabwe's undisputed statesman. However, it is Chiwenga's presence at the Vatican arriving abroad, a specially arranged flight, that has reignited quite speculation about his enduring stature in the political positioning within Zimbabwe's leadership. His trip, highly public and diplomatically significant, is reminiscent of the globe-trotting Mugabe, who often used similar appearances to reinforce his image as Zimbabwe's rightful head of state on the world stage. Chiwenga's appearance among presidents, prime ministers, and royalty at the Pope's burial ceremony, a gathering also attended by United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres, sends a powerful visual message at a time when succession questions continue to swell quietly in Harare. His Vatican mission now stands out as a rare moment of solo international prominence, one that some analysts may interpret as a subtle reminder of where real power and legitimacy within Zimbabwe's fractured political establishment could ultimately lie. Thomas Kamdani kwa panapa anachita aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga wachino attenda the burial ya Pope Francis panguva ine apanyasorodza kuti he is powerful just like RG Mugabe. Mbodza mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko chinoitika panguva ine munyasikunuka kunzi the ruling party mune chaos, cases rocking, and people they really know kuti vanhu havasi kuwirirana. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Comment section medu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.